Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok messages error that cannot chat with this user. If you're using TikTok and you're having any message error that you cannot chat with the user, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So you just have to open up your TikTok, and here you just have to tap on your profile in the bottom right corner, then tap on three dots of the menu in the top right corner, then go for settings and privacy. And here first of all you have to go to privacy, and then just scroll down and look for the messages option, and here you will get the option of permission settings. Select that, and you have to select that it's on TikTok, and you have to select request or receive a message. You have to select, you don't have to select don't receive option or the third option. Here it will block messages. So once you have selected the second or the first option from here, and here you have to also select the second or the first option, and once you have done so it will almost fix your issue, because sometimes you will get the issue of this type by these settings, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode, and you have to also make sure that you're connected to the strongest internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. Or after these all, if you're still having the same issue, so you have to open up your TikTok, and here go for support, and then you just have to look for the option of direct message or anything like that. Here's the option of direct messages, like that, and then you'll get a brief description of that. So your problem will be fixed using these instructions, or if this doesn't work for you, you have to select the need more help option, and you will get a chat. You just have to describe your issue here, and you will get official help from TikTok support team. So in this way you can easily fix if you're having an issue that your TikTok message cannot send, or you cannot chat with user on your TikTok. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.